Hi everyone, Karl from Hyrel here again. I would like to show you what our latest state is for our Melt ElectroWriting apparatus. For years, literally for years, we've been fighting the battle of how to get high voltage on a print head and a print bed so that we can create a voltage differential that stretches the fiber and orients them. That's what the high voltage does, and this creates increased strength. So you're able to pull the fibers and get them thinner, much thinner, down to 1 micron. We have several videos which some nice interns did this last summer, and they'll show you their results, their problems. You may want to check that out. But what I'd like to show you is our current final result that allows you to take virtually any of our or any of our 3D printers, the Hyrel printers, and do Melt ElectroWriting. So, without further ado, this is a Hydra 21. It's versatile, as all our printers are. And I will start with, most people are using PCL, polycaprolactone. We like to use this cartridge and this head. This is a crackatoa. It's small. It handles up to 5 cc's of material, which is way more than most people need. And then we'll just install it on our system, which you can put in any of the locations. It's now in. You'll see the little lights registering, and the head shows up on our display. Okay, next you will see that we have our latest thing, and this is an isolated hotbed. Now, a lot of people go like, why do you need that? Well, we have it isolated so that it has 15 millimeter air gap minimum with plastic isolation. And what that allows us to do is go up to 10,000 volts between ground and the hotbed. Okay, so now you're saying, wait a minute, why do we need that? Let me finish the apparatus and then I'll explain. So to go along with that, we add this, which is a high voltage power supply. Now on the Hydra, I like to mount it here or underneath. No one builds a tall build item. They're usually making very thin scaffolds. It's usually for bio printing or for fiber analysis. So you're only going to make a few millimeters tall. There's plenty of room underneath here. And then we bring the cables around the back side. One cable is attached to ground. It can go anywhere on your build plate. The other cable, the red one, goes to a stud that mounts right here. So that electrifies this build zone. Okay, now, why do I need a heated build, an isolated heated build chamber? It turns out that if you try to print PCL on a cold metal surface, it's kind of like trying to push a rope uphill. It's not easy to do at all. So we like to have approximately 58 to 65 degrees C hot plate that we can print to, and then your fiber will stick. And if it sticks, that's how we stretch it. We make a little Taylor cone, it anchors, and then we stretch it, and that's how we get the nice straight lines. If you watch the videos that we made this summer, you'll see how that really, really helped get the fibers thinner and the lines straight and evenly spaced. Anyway, if this is something you're interested in, it works with our engine HR, it works with our Hydra, it can work even with our engine SR. But it works best with the Hydra 21 and with the engine HR. I hope you're having a good day. Thanks for your time. Bye.